In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the ERR connection reset Google Chrome error. First step is you want to open up your DNS server. So you have to go and search for View Network Connections. Come in here and find your internet. Right click and go to Properties. Find Internet version 4. Double click. Use the following DNS, and we're going to try and use Google's DNS server. So 1111.1001. Press OK, and then you can just close this one down. After that, you want to open up CMD, right click and run as an administrator. In here, you want to type these 4 commands in. So the first one would be ipconfig space /flush DNS. Then you want to type in the next, press enter, the next, enter, and then end it with netsh rinsock reset. Press enter. Then it's going to ask you to restart the PC, but just wait with this. Once you've done this, you can just close this one down. And then what you want to do is search for Internet options. Come in here and go to Connections. Find LAN settings. And then you want to check this one, automatically detect settings. Press OK. And then you want to restart your PC, and then it should hopefully work. Now, I really hope this short video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.